Hi, I'm Jack, Director of Indoor Outdoors. This is our people, and let me go show you what we do. It all started with this simple railway sleeper bracket, and it grew into something we could never imagine. So let's have a look around. This is our sleeper fit bracket rover. This is where we take a sheet and cut it into shape. That's Stuart and that's Ryan, and they work in the folding department. And this is Jordan in the welding department. This is our R&D area and maintenance workshop. This is our pre-packing department where we cut and make all of our own packaging too. This is one of our 2 paint finish booths where we powder coat on the finish and bake in the oven, and it comes out premium black or any other colour we wish. This is our packing department where we get goods out super high speed and super high quality. And this is where our goods go out. Hundreds of parcels every day, the next day delivery. This is our studio and this is our office. So that's us. Hope you enjoyed the quick look at what we do and how great our people are. And remember, everything we do is made in the UK and we're very proud of that. Thank you very much.